Welcome to RaiCodeCode.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to customize Epic in Agile Central. So let's understand today's agenda. What we will cover it here. We'll discuss here what is Epic, how to customize Epic, how to add Epic customer field, and different operations on Epic. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Let's begin with practical demo. So, first of all, what is an epic? Epic is a large body of work that can be broken down into a number of smaller stories, or sometimes called issues in Jira. Epics often encompass multiple teams on multiple projects and can even be tracked on multiple boards as well. Epics are almost always delivered over a set of sprints as teams learns more about an epic through development and customer feedback. User story will be added and removed as necessary. That's the key with Agile Epic. Scope is flexible based on customer feedback and team cadence. Agile epics are basically used in different terms. So let's say it's a 2020 and we work for a recreational space travel organizations. We do about a dozen launches a year. So each launch isn't the single biggest thing we do in a year, but it's still far from routine and will make many person's hours to complete. That sizing is just right for an epic. An example, if I am continuing in March 2020, space tourism launches include stories for routine work items as well as stories aimed to improve key aspects of shuttle launch, from customer buying space travel ticket to the launch of the rocket itself. As such, multiple teams will contribute to their epic by working on a wide range of user stories. So, Epic should give the development team everything they need to be successful. From a practical perspective, it's the top tier of the work hierarchy. However, understanding how an epic relates to the other agile structure provides important context for the daily dev work. A product roadmap is a plan of actions for how a product or solution will evolve, and breaking initiatives into epics helps keep the team's daily work expressed in smaller user stories connected to overall business goals. So, this is how and what is epic. So, let's understand how to create an epic or how to customize an epic. For customization perspective, if you go to the portfolio items and select portfolio items detailed from the drop down list, you'll find it out three options are available by default. But if you want to add Epic as well here, you can include it. But for that, you will need administrator login credential. Only the administrator can customize these fields. So for customization, select setup, go to workspace and projects. From there, select your projects and go to fields. After selecting fields, you will navigate to the portfolio items. From here, you will find it out portfolio item type. Select this and click on edit. If I want to add Epic here, simply click on add new and include Epic. Click add and Epic field will be added here. If you want to edit this field, simply select and enter the edited data. Now you can also change the prefix of your Epic. Maybe you can keep it as E1 or E2, any name you can add it. By default, it's starting with first letter, so because of that it started with E. So whenever we will create an Epic, it will assign E, then the number, which will indicate that is an epic. Now, if I want to delete this, simply I will select here and delete it. But if I want to save this fields will be saved permanently. Saved permanently. We can create these things at the workspace level. So for creating a workspace level, again we have to go to setup, go to workspace and select your workspace. From here you will find it of fields. Fields you can customize it to portfolio item. Then you will select portfolio item types here and click on add it. Now again follow the same process and you can see epic is available here. So let's go to our main page where we will see epic is added inside this. So go to portfolio items and you will find it out. Let's refresh this page. Now you can see portfolio item epic is added here. So this is how we can edit or customize epic and perform the multiple operation in Rally. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed the session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.